Hi friends, I have made a big sell decision in my portfolio and I have now completely sold out of my GEO Group position. Before the sale, GEO was roughly 14% of my portfolio, and on top of that I also had 10% of my portfolio in CoreCivic, which is another private present operator in the United States. CoreCivic position I still own, so why sell GEO, you ask? Well, higher interest rates are hurting and will hurt GEO's business, and should we have higher for longer situation continuing, which most definitely is a possibility. I don't know where the interest rates will go in the future, no one knows, so I cannot keep holding GEO in my portfolio only on the hopes that maybe Fed will cut rates. That being said, alternatives to detention program that GEO can have great value in the future. Obviously, it is an interesting business they have going on, and might well be that it lifts GEO stock price to over $20 per share even. Also, all investors following these two companies and this industry know the crisis on the southern border of United States, as sad as it is as an event, presents continued business opportunities for both GEO Group and CoreCivic. Their services are needed there. So I could say that all the fundamental reasons why I invested in GEO are still there, but I have underestimated maybe a little bit the severity of higher interest rates squeezing GEO's business. Nevertheless, I have been buying GEO since they terminated their REIT status and quit paying dividends. The stock market hated GEO for quitting dividend, of course, but I loved it personally because I knew it was the right business move to do for the company. Dividend investors' feelings got hurt, but it made all the sense and I was eager to buy GEO stock at that time. Today I pocket nice plus 72% profit on my position in 3 years or something like that approximately. So I am happy how this went, and this is value investing to its core. I want to keep this momentum going on at Arctic Money now. Valuation wise, I believe I need to start looking GEO Group again if it crashes under $9 from current $12 levels, but I am unlikely to buy it before we move more down even from there. Should it go under $5 per share, I believe it would be absolute value investment. But I might start building position even higher already, but as said, I don't need to look at GEO Group again before it trades under $9 levels again. And in regards to valuation methods, I usually would go with discounted cash flow method, but the more appropriate one in the private present sector, in my opinion, is asset valuation method. Then with CoreCivic, on the other hand, with less debt than GEO Group, I believe they still have upside left, and that is why I'm keeping the position in my portfolio, obviously. I think it could see still a plus 50% increase in its share price, and that would probably then start being on the kind of levels where I will consider or probably sell out of CoreCivic to myself. Now that you heard me talking about these two companies, CoreCivic and GEO Group, what do you believe are their fair values, and why is that? I would be eager to know, so share that information in the comment section below if you will. Like the video if you learned something new, subscribe the channel to show support, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.